Today I'm going to show you how to change your vehicle's oil. I'm doing this on my 2004 Pathfinder, but you can easily save a lot of money each year doing this yourself with any high clearance vehicle. If you have a different vehicle, check your manual first to see what oil you need and how much to use, as well as the size of the oil pan plug. To do this, you'll need your vehicle-specific oil and oil filter, a socket wrench with a 14mm socket. Check your vehicle's manual if your oil pan plug is different. You'll also need a funnel, rubber gloves, shop towels, and an oil catch pan. You should change your oil every 5,000 miles or 6 months, whatever is first, or if your oil looks really dirty like this. The first thing you need to do is place the oil catch pan under your oil pan's drain plug and remove the plug using the socket wrench with the appropriate size socket. Let all the oil drain out into the pan and then clean the area and reinsert the drain plug and tighten it down, but not too tight. Next, you want to move your pan to the front of the vehicle where the oil filter is. If your filter is located on top of the engine, like a Toyota, you can skip this and just remove the oil filter. I'm using a pair of channel locks here to loosen it up so I can remove it, but you can do it however you want. Now just unscrew the old filter, let all the oil drain out, set the old oil filter aside, go ahead and clean the area. And before screwing on the new filter, rub a thin layer of oil on the gasket so that it's easier to remove next time. Then just hand thread it on tightly, but not too tight. Next, you want to locate the oil cap and remove it and put a funnel in the hole and refill it with the appropriate amount of oil. Mine takes 5 quarts, so I'm using the entire jug. Then clean the funnel, put the oil cap back on, check your dipstick, and you're done. Also, you can recycle your oil for free at your local AutoZone. All right, thanks for watching. See you next time.